Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today this video is about Microsoft's Windows 11 Insider Preview build, 25295, which is released to the dev channel. Starting with this build, and talking about the new thing introduced to this build. This build includes a new commercial policy. This new policy enables commercial customers to enable features introduced via servicing, that are off by default for devices that have their Windows updates managed. Moving forward, and talking about the changes and improvements made in this build. For general, users will now see a copy button for quickly copying two-factor authentication, 2FA, codes and notification toasts from apps installed on the PC or from phones linked to the PC. For search on the taskbar, the new search on the taskbar experience that began rolling out with build 25252 is now available for all Windows insiders in the dev channel. Insiders can change the treatment of search on the taskbar in settings under Settings, Personalization, Taskbar, and Taskbar items. Now, moving forward, and talking about the fixes made. In general, the issue causing repeated bug checks for some insiders after upgrading to build 25284 Plus should be fixed now. Made another fix for an issue causing insiders to experience freezes in recent flights, specifically in this case where apps might freeze if you tried to use them while also trying to play games. Fixed an issue where the update history page under Settings, Windows Update. Update history was blank for some users after installing build 25290. Fixed an issue where some users experience longer than expected update times installing recent builds. For File Explorer, fixed an issue where the Add and Close tab buttons weren't working, if File Explorer was maximized, and you were using an Arabic or Hebrew display language. For Input, fixed an issue that could lead to app windows becoming unresponsive after using multi-finger on-screen touch gestures. Fixed an underlying issue that was causing your mouse to appear like pointer trails were enabled when sharing your screen. For Settings, the Add a Device dialog should no longer have an unexpectedly big border. For windowing, fixed an issue that could cause certain apps to move very slowly when you dragged them across the screen. Fixed a DWM crash in recent flights which could cause your screen to flash black. Fixed an issue where snapped windows might not remember their positions if you disconnected and reconnected your monitor. For other fixes, fixed an underlying crash impacting the ability for apps using graphics.capture to take screen captures in recent flights. Fixed an underlying issue causing crashes in certain apps when trying to print to PDFs in recent flights. So, that was all from Microsoft for this build. If you want to know more, follow the link to the official Microsoft blog, from the description. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.